Yo, what happening? Welcome back to the channel. My bad, I know I ain't been posting, but the title is not clickbait. I did indeed shoot my hand. Yeah. Being dumb, not doing the proper procedures that I should be doing, because I'm a person who owns firearms, a lot of them, and I was slipping. So shot myself in the arm, went to the hospital, did a couple of x-rays, they put me to sleep, they cut open my hand, installed a piece of metal on my pinky, because I shattered my pinky bone. Yeah, so I'm home, and it is what it is, just make sure you guys always use gun safety and don't be dumb like Fred. My new name is Shredder Bob. Anyways, here's the video. Alright, so this is Skunk 2 Ultra Race K-Tune 90mm 2mm 2-liter spacer, gaskets and bolts. I'm gonna assemble this all right now. So we got the 2-liter spacer, got the intake manifold opened up. And Downstar do offer Skunk 2 Ultra hardware with the spacer or without. No more of those. Putting in these. Alright guys, that 2-liter spacer is on. You seen I had some problems. Only got one hand, bro. My shit's swollen right now. But Downstar hardware is on. Thanks to my wife. She came and gave me a hand because I needed one, literally. Now I was to install the rest of the hardware and then the 90mm starter body. So when you purchase a Downstar, any hardware kit comes with what each bag is. 1 is for TPS, all of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the throttle body bolts using the K-Tune 90. Got the O-ring right here. Gonna slap that on. I do have to shave off a piece of the water pump housing to make this fit. I'm gonna try and do it, but only got one hand. So we got Rob over here. Rob, what you doing, bro?
Mess up your transmission.
What?
Your box.
I'm gonna fix up them talking there.
Bro, the paint.
Yeah, no, fuck up the paint, bro.
No, I'm talking about the paint on the bowls, making it hard to get out.
Got that icy Downstar hardware.
I don't know where the fuck my glasses.
Hey, do not disrespect Kobe again, though. You heard?
My bad.
This is what we got going on with the motor so far. My bad that didn't record putting the intake manifold on, but it's on there. Kind of disabled right now. So I got my homies helping me. There we go. Thanks to Rob, Percy. Hardware is in. Alright, that should be acting stupid. Appreciate you, Bucko.
Yeah. You can't do it.
I know, bro. Fucked up.
You ain't tell him yet?
Nah, bro.
Tell him, man. Stop being a bitch.
The raccoon.
It is.
The
Yeah.
raccoon did him. He got rabies.
Raccoon?
Bruh,
Yeah, bro. Just
cool
tell
it,
him
bruh.
what happened, bro.
Just cool it, bro.
Want me to tell him what happened?
No, I
my
don't want
vlog
you to
will
say
go. I
shit.
get views on my vlog. Jeez. That's the title ever.
My hand is fucked up. That's it.
But why, Fred?
What
What happened, bro?
What's the story?
What is the story?
Everybody wants to know.
Nah, bro.
That's gonna be your clickbait.
Fact, that is
Nah,
clickbait.
cool it. I'm not clickbaiting nothing, man. Just
Alright,
chill,
bro.
bro.
Your ass gets 200 views and like, well, people care
Who the
about
fuck about that shit?
Show them the manifold.
The what?
The Gallifo.
Oh.
Gallifo, yeah, that's not.
What the fuck, Fred? My glass was in your seat, bitch.
No, this whole
I
time?
did take them out. When I looked at your thing, I did put my glasses in your seat. Damn. Shit, I forgot.
You sat in the car like an hour ago.
No, these, I'm gonna get some messages out. These I already got them.
Oh, alright. You got this.
Yeah, I'm putting I should be on the sides. See how much it'll come around me. I got air fresheners on the way. My new shirt should be here this week.
You know the air.
Alright, so now we're gonna do the timing cover. Get rid of all that OEM
What?
stuff. What? I said timing cover.
I know, I'm just saying, like, you finna do that shit for real?
Nigga,
Bro,
what is you doing, bro?
Go
Is you
watch
doing-
All American, bro. I'm telling
I'm
you.
on like episode 10, I think, bro.
Bro, that show is
Bruh,
too
yo,
good.
real talk. I thought Coach was that nigga daddy,
told you.
dog, and he was about to knock off his sister, bruh.
The hell about
Bruh.
Ow, boy!
He was gonna knock off his sister, bruh. I said, nah, bruh, don't do it.
The writers of that show deserve a fucking Emmy, bro. That show good.
Nobody ever changes those bolts.
I know. So Rob is all done with the timing cover.
Bro, I had some meat last night.
What?
Shit was good. Whoa, buddy.
Yo, every minute me have a car that you come with your fuck with Batman chattings, yo.
My mom cooked ribs. Bro.
All right, so say ribs. Dog, the man said I have some big meat last
I
night,
said
yo.
I had some good meat last night. I didn't say big.
Yo, move up with them chattings there, dog. For real, yo. Dog, get some real buller man thing you talk about, party.
Bro, if you was there Friday, you would have killed that meat up, bro.
Dog, may I end the video, man, okay? I'll fuck up my thing there. Alright, so next day, my fault. I did a lot of things off camera. Wish I could have recorded everything for y'all, but it was kind of too difficult with the whole one-hand thing. But I mean, for the most part, she's all done. Same goes for the gearbox. Everything is Downstarred out. Shit. With an oil pan, baby. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this with some cinematics, some nice little detailed video shots about the hardware. If you guys need anything, holla at Downstar. If you don't see your make and model there, reach out to him. He can get it made. Man is a GOAT. That's my plug. Any color, anything, and that man can get it done for you. Holla at Downstar. I appreciate you guys for all the love and support. Don't know when I'm gonna drop a next video, but see y'all next time.
Big hit the beat, so you know he make it nasty.
Build it brick by brick, marathon not a sprint. Hustle hard to click, we know it's money to get. We know it's hundreds to flip. Fuck a chain, we investing in cribs. Generate value, then leverage that bitch. Double it up and then do it again. This is meditation mixed with dedication, opportunity, me preparation. This a declaration to my generation. In my book of rhymes, I flip the pages, searching for the perfect words to masticate. This why you acting different, bitch, I'm activated. Build my foundation, fuck the decorations. Always motivated, niggas love to hate. I come around, these niggas be all in they feelings. These bitches, they want my attention. I see the hidden intention. When I come around, I can feel all the tension. I feel the energy shifting. Niggas starting at the diff. When I come around, when I come around, when I come around, vroom vroom, bitch, I skirt off. Why my shoulder brush a third off? Nigga only move with purpose. Time is broad, they purchase. When I come around, they get nervous. Clown niggas for the circus. Touch the stove, you get burned, bruh. Guess you niggas never learn. Smoke the dope, it's all in my lungs. Breathe slow till it fill me up. Hey, shit stay dangerous. You ain't gay, can't hang with us. Niggas praying on my downfall. Niggas be praying I lose it all. Saying words and try to show me love. When I come around, it's like changing up. These niggas be all in they feelings. These bitches, they want my attention. I see the hidden intention. When I come around, I can feel all the tension. I feel the energy shifting. Niggas starting at the diff. When I come around, when I come around, when I come around, when I come around,
go get it, no limit, do with it, authentic, no gimme, so get it, prolific, committed, any code with it. Young nigga brought the code with it, young nigga brought the mold with it, and I always put my soul in it. Won't stop till they put me in the hole, nigga. When I come around, got you unfroze, nigga. I'm the one and I know that you know, nigga.